In this first shocking Ring doorbell scenario, a man is seen innocently entering his vehicle when suddenly, a car pulls up behind him with sinister intentions. As the would-be intruder attempts to open the vehicle's door, the owner's quick reflexes thwart the initial entry. Undeterred, the intruder resorts to breaking the door's glass and makes a swift grab for a bag from the vehicle's interior. Watch as this daring theft unfolds, leaving the owner in shock as the culprits make a hasty getaway. In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell scenario, two unsuspecting ladies pass by, narrowly escaping a potentially fatal incident. Out of nowhere, a speeding car careens into a parked vehicle right in front of someone's house, creating a scene of chaos and destruction. In this intriguing nighttime Ring doorbell encounter, as the darkness of night shrouds the surroundings, a mysterious lady emerges, approaching a stranger's front door with an unclear purpose. With an air of uncertainty, she presses the doorbell and patiently awaits a response from the homeowner. However, what makes this encounter truly enigmatic is her peculiar behavior. Instead of a traditional doorbell chime, the doorbell asks her to leave a message, and in that moment, she begins to reveal her intentions.
Hey, I'm part of the Brotherhood, and I never imagined I would ever attempt this shit. I'll be out for a walking, I guess. Peace.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell scene, a man, seemingly undressed and shrouded in darkness, is discovered lurking in front of someone's door. His suspicious demeanor and the anxious look on his face hint at hidden intentions. With an air of mystery surrounding his presence, this chilling encounter. In this startling Ring doorbell footage, we witness a startling intrusion as a man boldly walks up to someone's front door and attempts to open it. Quick-thinking homeowners swiftly intervene, ordering the intruder to leave immediately. What follows is a tense standoff as the intruder initially pretends to comply, only to abruptly change course. The homeowners stand their ground, refusing to yield to the intruder's unsettling behavior. Watch as the situation unfolds and the intruder's true intentions become even more enigmatic as he begins to wander around the property. In this eerie Ring doorbell footage, scene unfolds as two ladies approach someone's property. Suspicion hangs heavy in the air as one of them boldly strides toward the front door, undaunted by the late hour. With an unnerving lack of fear, she makes repeated attempts to open the door, raising questions about their true intentions.
I lost my page now.
In this harrowing Ring doorbell footage, a neighborhood in the throes of a devastating flood, a natural disaster that leaves both property and lives hanging in the balance. As the floodwaters mercilessly engulf the area, homes are overtaken, and the community's sense of security is shattered. In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a shocking scene unfolds as a car pulls up in front of someone's house. Without hesitation, a group of individuals disembarks from the vehicle, each with a sinister purpose. While one of them stands watch, keeping a vigilant eye on the surroundings, another swiftly moves to a parked car. With surprising ease, he bypasses the vehicle's security, starting its engine, and within moments, the car is stolen right before our eyes. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a mysterious figure emerges, draped in a blanket, as he stealthily approaches someone's property. His clandestine mission: to search for valuables under the cover of night. However, this cloak and dagger operation takes an unexpected turn as the homeowner springs into action. With unwavering resolve, the homeowner confronts the intruder, demanding that he vacate the property immediately. In this concerning Ring doorbell footage, a group of individuals gathers, their intentions shrouded in uncertainty. Among them, a masked figure steps forward, attempting to obstruct the watchful gaze of the camera. In this bewildering Ring doorbell footage, we witness a lady gaining unauthorized access to an apartment complex, moving stealthily from one door to another. As the tension mounts, her actions take an even more perplexing turn as she impulsively pulls the fire alarm with unclear intentions. Before anyone can react, she swiftly departs, leaving behind a scene of confusion and concern.
Leave, please. You can't shower here.
Okay. I didn't know anybody still lived here.
Yeah, we definitely live here. Please leave.
No more.
Please leave. Thank you. Don't come back here and do that again, please. We have you on video. Please leave.
In this bewildering Ring doorbell footage, we witness a lady gaining unauthorized access to an apartment complex, moving stealthily from one door to another. As the tension mounts, her actions take an even more perplexing turn as she impulsively pulls the fire alarm with unclear intentions. Before anyone can react, she swiftly departs, leaving behind a scene of confusion and concern.
Everything open now. Fuck now.
In this brazen act of theft Ring doorbell footage, we observe a lady arriving at someone's front house in a vehicle. Without hesitation, she boldly accesses the porch and shamelessly pilfers items left outside the house. Her fearless demeanor and disregard for the consequences are on full display as she makes off with stolen goods, raising questions about her motives and audacity. In this tense and unexpected Ring doorbell footage, we witness a determined homeowner defending her property. A lady, with unclear intentions, attempts to gain access to the homeowner's house, only to be met with a resolute response. The homeowner stands her ground, blocking the intruder's path and insisting that she must leave the property immediately.
They shit in my house. Get the out of my house.
Don't yell at me.
Get
Don't
out.
yell at me.
Get out of my house,
Get out of
Laura.
the house for 2 nights.
Now. You do not have the right to stay in my house.
I'm trying not to spill coffee. It has chocolate in it on your floor.
In this shocking act of theft Ring doorbell footage, we witness a lady pulling up her truck in front of someone's house with clear intentions. Without hesitation, she advances towards the porch and brazenly steals valuable chairs left outside. Her swift and audacious theft leaves us astounded, as she swiftly departs the scene. this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a lady returning to her home, unaware that she's being followed by an unknown man. As she opens her door, little does she know that an uninvited presence shadows her every move. In this thought-provoking Ring doorbell footage, a property owner confronts an intruder caught in the act of attempting theft. Instead of resorting to confrontation, the property owner takes an unconventional approach, urging the intruder to reconsider their actions. With a simple yet profound message, she tells the intruder that there's no need to steal, but rather to ask for permission.
Door, you don't have to steal it.
Okay.
Take it.
For real?
Yeah, take it, but just don't come stealing it.
Thank you.
In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, we witness a brazen act of theft as a porch pirate descends upon someone's porch with clear intentions. With audacity in full view, the pirate swiftly seizes a valuable piece of equipment left outside the house and makes a hasty escape, leaving the homeowner in shock and the neighborhood on high alert. In this perplexing nocturnal Ring doorbell encounter, an eerie scene unfolds as a lady approaches someone's porch, her behavior raising suspicions. In the obscurity of night, she paces back and forth, displaying strange and unsettling actions. Her curiosity extends to opening the mailbox, as if in search of something valuable. In this bizarre and unsettling Ring doorbell encounter, a man is captured by a surveillance camera at someone's front door on a dark night. His audacious claim is that he is Santa Claus, but his intentions seem far from festive. The homeowner must confront this unexpected visitor, who appears to be attempting to gain unauthorized access to the property.
Knock knock. Santa Claus. Is it okay if I come inside?
If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell encounter, a lady approaches someone's porch with mysterious intentions. Clutching a vehicle license plate number, she takes bold actions, including opening the mailbox outside the house and stealing documents found within. Her actions raise questions about her motives and the potential consequences for the homeowner. In this chilling Ring doorbell encounter, we witness a lady approaching someone's porch under the cloak of darkness. Armed with a flashlight, her clear intention is to scour every corner in search of items to steal. Her calculated actions cast a shadow of vulnerability over the property, leaving the homeowner's possessions at risk. In this daring nocturnal Ring doorbell encounter, a man infiltrates someone's porch. His nefarious mission is focused on pilfering from the mailbox outside the house, a clear violation of privacy and property. In this eerie stillness Ring doorbell encounter, an inexplicable and unsettling scene unfolds as a lady approaches someone's front door, clutching a mysterious piece of paper. Her motives remain unknown as she presses the doorbell, launching into a bizarre dance and eerie antics on the doorstep. After an eerie pause, she takes an unusual turn, moving to a parked car outside the house, where she leaves the enigmatic paper on the windshield before pressing the doorbell once more.
In your windshield wiper, but you wouldn't answer the door. I told you I was coming by. Love you, bye.
In this unusual Ring doorbell encounter, we witness a young boy wandering into someone's porch, seemingly with a curious spirit. As he attempts to open the door, he quickly realizes that the homeowner has secured their property. Undeterred, he decides to make himself at home, settling into a relaxing chair and swaying back and forth, perhaps pondering his next move. After a brief moment of comfort, he explores the porch, casting a curious eye on the surroundings before eventually departing from the property.
Hey! What are you doing on our porch?
I'm sorry.
Hi! Get off our porch, please. Alright, get out.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.